Every great idea begins with a story, a thought, a message, or an experience that deserves to be shared with the world. But turning your words into something beautiful, something professional, can feel impossible. That's why we say, your words deserve a beautiful ebook. Got a story, course, or idea that deserves to be read? Let's face it, most great ideas never reach readers. Why? Because creating a professional ebook feels hard. From formatting and design to publishing on Kindle or Amazon, it's easy to get overwhelmed. And a poorly designed ebook can make even the best ideas look ordinary. That's where AI 360 Studio Agency comes in. We specialize in creating eye-catching, perfectly formatted ebooks that look amazing on every device: Kindle, Amazon, PDF, or your personal website. You bring the content, we turn it into a masterpiece you'll be proud to publish, sell, or share. Every page designed with precision, every word placed with care. At AI 360 Studio, we don't just create ebooks, we craft digital experiences that tell your story in style. From vibrant covers that grab attention to elegant layouts that make reading enjoyable, we blend creativity with technology to produce books that stand out and sell. Whether you're writing a novel, an online course, or a brand-building guide, we transform your vision into a professional ebook ready for the world. What makes our process different? Artificial intelligence. Our advanced AI tools ensure your ebook is formatted perfectly every single time. We optimize design, readability, and flow automatically. No more stress, no more hours fixing layouts, just stunning, publish-ready results in record time. With AI 360 Studio, your ideas move from draft to digital shelf faster than ever. Our clients have launched best-selling ebooks, built powerful personal brands, and turned simple ideas into profitable digital products. From first-time authors to thought leaders, they've used AI 360 Studio to bring their vision to life, beautifully, effortlessly, and professionally. Your idea deserves more than just words. It deserves a masterpiece. Let AI 360 Studio Agency design your ebook today. Because a great book isn't just written, it's beautifully created. Click the link below and let's bring your words to life. From concept to cover, we make publishing easy, fast, and unforgettable. AI 360 Studio, the best for your best.